Hello from Sanjit and Abhishek, co-founders of Stylopay. We are program managers of prepaid card programs across UK, Europe, and Asia. We are PCI DSS certified. Corporate cards are a convenient means of payroll and payout. However, if you are a small company and if you are working across countries, then getting a corporate card program may be tough. It is long drawn, cumbersome, and expensive. We understand that. We have worked with 30 plus companies in their journey towards getting a corporate card program. Here comes Zoop, a self-service card application and card management portal for corporate card programs. You can apply in 30 minutes, get approved in 7 days. You can start with 100 cards. You get a free admin and user portal. You can manage programs across geographies, and all this for a low and simple per card pricing. Once you click sign up, information capture screen comes up. Zook will validate the email ID and phone number for two-factor authentication later. To make the demo smoother, we are using a registered user. So once we log in, the system will ask for the 2FA code. Once the verification is done, we will see the organization information detail screen. So standard information like legal name and all are concerned. So they are captured. We also capture the program administrator and the compliance contact details. In the next section, we can see the program description of all the programs that are available on the Zook platform. At present, there are 5 programs available. This is unique to Zook. As you can see, programs from multiple bill sponsors across geographies are available here. So the corporate can choose a particular program. Very soon, they'll be able to opt for a multi-currency IBAN program as well. So once they have selected the program, they fill in other details like the program description, the currency, the countries they want to launch, whether they want a generic card or a branded card, and certain transaction volumes. The next section deals with the KYB. So based on the program that they've selected, Zook will ask for the KYB information. So along with this, they also ask for relevant director and shareholder details. In the next section, the MSA is managed. MSA is the Master Services Agreement. This is another unique Zook benefit, that the MSA is managed here itself. Zook collects all the relevant information, constructs the MSA, and sends it to the administrator of the corporate through DocuSign. The corporate can evaluate and revert back to us. So as you can see, at this point, the application is complete. The Zook compliance team will do a due diligence on this company, and if everything is okay, revert to them with an approval within 2 to 4 days. Let's explore what are the benefits Zook has. So while the program is under approval, the corporate can do 3 activities. One is they can try out 2 virtual cards that Zook offers in the try it out section. So as you can see on the screen, these are the 2 virtual cards that are there. They can request for fund. For convenience, we have preloaded these with $10 each so that they can use it. You use it on a e-commerce site or you add it on a Google Pay and do a normal transaction. Second, they can go to settings and configure the portals. Now, incidentally, Zook provides both admin and user portals as a complementary feature. So they can select the portal theme, they can mention which brand they want their portal to be, and they can upload the logo that they want the portal to have. Next, they can go to card orders and place virtual card or physical card order. For physical cards, again, there are certain pre-approved designs. So he selects one of the design, clicks next, mentions the number of cards they want to order, and Zook will show how much they have to pay. Now, incidentally, this is the only payment a company has to do. There are no other payments. So on receipt, the Zook fulfillment team, they arrange for the card printing and dispatch. Now, assuming the program has been approved and the MSA has been signed, access to the admin and the user portals are provided. So as we go to the admin portal, we can see the standard functions like prefunding. So from an external bank account, the corporate can prefund their card account, and 3 currencies are available here. Any of the currencies they can use to prefund. They can go to the dashboard and view the various wallets that they have. We are at present supporting 24 currencies, and they can flip currencies from one wallet to another wallet. They can go to user management section. They can view the users. They can add users. They can load the user's wallet. Again, the multi-currency feature is there. So any of the currencies available to any of the currencies. And of course, they can generate standard reports. Let's have a quick look at the user portal. Here, they can view their multi-currency wallets. They can flip currencies. At the right of the screen, you can see they can do a peer-to-peer transfer to another cardholder. They can view their transactions and change their profile, and of course, generate reports. Thank you for watching the brief overview of our beta product Zook. As you would have observed, it is quick and easy. It is fully self-service. No programming or IT administrations are required from the corporate. You can select multiple programs and run them seamlessly. You can order unlimited virtual cards at zero cost. We are expanding our portfolio. We are adding programs, countries, partners, services. We are integrating into Zero, VAT refund, and expense management tools so that you get a comprehensive experience. We are accepting signups to Zook for the 5 programs that we showed. As a bonus to Finovate attendees, we are offering 2 complimentary virtual cards with a small preloaded amount. So please register, use these cards for e-commerce or transactions, adding it to Google Pay. Come to www.zook.com and sign up. Thanks again from Sanjit, Abhishek, and the Zook team.